Well, good morning. Williams, Philippines. Hope everybody's having a good day out there. It is Monday, 11:06. They should be doing the inauguration on Trump back on the East Coast there in D.C. right now. Yeah. Anyway, I hope everybody's having a blessed day. I hope Trump's going to do us some good. We'll see. Uh, Tried to take and do this video at work, but my camera on my system just kept popping off. Shut down, reboot. Yeah, I ended up like 3 or 4 different starts on it before I finally gave up and said, hey, I'll do it here. Uh, Trying to figure out my phone. Apparently, I'm 5 days away from having to either renew or do something else. I think I'm going to do something else because I'm not liking Mint. Uh, yeah. But then part of me is, they ain't been bad. They just, I don't, my phone doesn't get the pictures on my text messages the way it should. And yeah, everyone else sends them to my other phone. They show up there, work just fine. The one that's on uh, Ultra. But the one that's on Mint, it just don't work. I don't know. It's a pain in the butt, tell you that much. Uh, and it is cold. Yeah. It's been below freezing for 3 days, 2.5 days now. And we're supposed to get a shot of snow here sometime in the next few hours. Not going to be much, but yeah. I don't know about you, but I'm getting tired of this cold stuff. Yeah. And if with everybody opening the door and in and out this morning, jeez, it felt like I was sitting in a freezer. Pretty much I am. uh, but I hold off and got that, got through with work, came here, and within 10 minutes I was down to, I was nice, warm, and ready to face the day. My house is warm. The office isn't. I'm going to make sure I wear extra clothes tonight because it's supposed to get down to 4. I think it only got down to like 14 today. We'll see what it is. Yeah, I'm tired of the cold. I want to go be on a beach, my toes in the sand, and sit there and warm up. Yeah, this cold stuff is annoying me. I'm tired of the cold. Anyway, got my SSK swapped over, and it's running, and it is running about half the temperature that it was. So, yay. That's a good thing. And why did it say I ejected it? I didn't eject it. I don't know. I just got a notification. Apparently, moving it around ejects it. We'll find out. But apparently, Sequoia don't like it. Mac Mini doesn't like it when you eject it unexpectedly. You can reconnect it, inject it, and reconnect it and eject it. I don't know. But anyway, it is running a whole lot cooler. I'm happy about that. Got to get this back in the mail and send the old one back. Uh, yeah, get that sent off to them and taken care of. I don't know about you, but yeah, I happen to know they're not supposed to run, all the time. I mean, and if they're hooked up, that's one thing. If they're burning, but if they're idling, they shouldn't be burning up hot. So, yeah. Anyway, what else? Oh, called and talked, to Ultra. And they say I know it's a dual SIM. It takes eSIM. That's one of the reasons I bought it. And they say it's not compatible with their system, but it is compatible with eSIMs. Why isn't it compatible with their eSIM? I don't get this. Welcome to a pain in the backside. Anyway, it is what it is. I am ready to get out of here and get to the Philippines. Talking to my friend, I'm going to carry over my mortar and pestle for grinding herbs and such. I've used it a few times. I enjoy using it. It works good. But it's stone. It weighs about like 4 pounds all by itself. Yeah. So I'm going to give it to a friend and, yeah, let her have it to crush peppers with. Because it does that real good. And, well, she does that. She likes cooking. That's one of the things that she does. So she'll get some good use out of it. I cook, but, yeah, I don't use it as much as it should. But hey, this is passing it on so that it can be more useful somewhere else. Because you sure wouldn't want to just throw that thing in the trash can. Nice stone mortar and pestle. No, don't just throw something like that away. You hand it out to somebody else that'll use it. It's one of the reasons I won't get rid of my cast iron. I want to use it. And if I do something with it, I'll give it to somebody else that'll use it. Because, hey, cast iron's good. Lasts forever. If you just work with it, it'll last you, take care of you, and be a real good cookware. That stuff's been around for ages, and it'll be around for ages. Anyway, I'm trying to figure out a couple other things. I need to pack up some boxes for ammo to go to a gun show so I can go sell some ammo and get rid of that. And yeah, because there's so much fun stuff that needs to be got rid of fast. Anyway, hope y'all have had a blessed day. This one's kind of a short one. William Williams, Philippines. Later blessings. Bye-bye. Lots of food, lots of friends, lots of family, and some more food. Fish out.